Hi there. This tutorial will go over the basics of using Training Peaks. Let's get started. So here you can see the workout calendar on the desktop app. If you'd like to view the details of any workout, you can just click on the workout and then you'll be able to see a description. Sometimes there may be a description of intervals or a purpose of the workout. There may also be some pre-activity comments that your coach may have left there. So just make sure to read those. If there's a workout graph also, as you can see here, then you can hover over it. You can see the details for individual intervals there, any targets, heart rate, or comments. And you can also hover down here and see in the workout details specific targets for the entire workout. So how many repeats, what the power might be, what zone that is, what your cadence might be, or pace on the run or swim. All of those details can be viewed there. On the desktop app, when you open up this workout window, you can also see other details, maps and graphs if post-workout. You can see your heart rate zones here. If you click on the little heart, you can scroll down. You can see your power zones if you've got a power meter, or pace or speed zones. All of this assumes that your zones have been set up correctly. If they have, you'll be able to see an accurate description here. And so you can also actually leave comments there as well. So after your workouts, if you go down, you can leave post-activity comments. Really important if you're working with a coach. There's a lot that you can see in the data, but it's also important to know how you're feeling. And this can also be a workout diary for you. So if you're looking back, even years down the line, you can look back and go, hey, I had a great training block. I remember those couple of months. What was I up to? How was I feeling? You can look back on that stuff later. If you would like to upload a workout, that's also possible to do manually in the workout window here at the top right. But if you've got your training watch synchronized or your computer synchronized with Training Peaks, it will be done automatically. So that could be Garmin, Sunto, Polar, Wahoo, or any other brand that you're using, including Apple. And so you can also access your profile. So on the coaching account here, it's right at the top. You can click profile. Otherwise, you can click, you can find your details right here on the left-hand side. You can view your profile. You can view your zones here as well. And you can also directly access your profile by just clicking on the settings gear icon. In your profile, you can change things like imperial to metric right here. You can also view your training zones here as well, adjust them if needed. Usually this will be done by your coach, but you do have access to all of that. You can also add equipment. So if you want to track your mileage on your bike or on your shoes, you can add these in here. And then during a workout, after the workout, you can select your equipment in here and it will keep track of mileage when you do that. Another thing that you can do is add workouts or notes to the program. If you're working with a coach, it's great to add your work schedule, travel dates, anything like that. Or if you have any commitments that mean you can't train on certain days, you can just click on that day. If you hover over it, you'll see there's a little plus there. So you can just click on that day. You've got a list of things you can add. There is a way to add notes, and this is certainly fine to use this. I prefer myself when athletes will add using the other selection, because when you leave notes in the description, it actually shows a larger paragraph on the workout window without having to click on it. So it's a lot easier to review those notes at a glance without having to do any extra clicks. So you could write traveling here, maybe traveling away, leave some notes about what workouts you can do if you're only able to run, or if you have access to a pool, things like that, or a gym. or any other notes there. And then you could also add traveling, return back to home. You could put them on separate days just to know that your coach or what, so that your coach knows how to adjust your program during that time. It's also possible to move workouts on the calendar. Usually the workouts are going to be scheduled in a specific way to create balance and also make sure that you have enough recovery between your hard workouts. So make sure that you discuss this with your coach. But if you are using a training app, for instance, Zwift or Trainer Road, say for your cycling workouts, those workouts will usually only appear on the day that the workout is scheduled for. So if you're doing a Wednesday bike workout on Thursday, you might need to just drag that over first so that it appears in those apps. If using the app, the Training Peaks app, you can do that by just changing the date in the app. So you could just select the new date and it'll automatically move it over. So that's a quick review of the basics of using Training Peaks. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. If you've liked this video, please like it and follow and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. I appreciate it and have a great day.